Welcome to this video on overload and short circuit protection, focusing on sizing motor protection circuit breakers, or MPCBs, and thermal overload relays for motor protection. To start, we must distinguish between mechanical stress and electrical failure. Mechanical stress can lead to overheating, while electrical failure involves damage from high current flow. Overload occurs when a motor draws more current than its rating for an extended period, often due to mechanical issues, resulting in slow heat buildup. A short circuit is an immediate, high-current fault resulting from phase-to-phase or phase-to-ground contact. The MPCB is a two-in-one device providing integrated protection. It offers thermal protection for overload, magnetic protection for instantaneous short-circuit trips, and phase loss detection. Sizing the MPCB involves calculating the full load current, or FLC, and setting the thermal trip to match. The basic calculation is setting equals FLC multiplied by 1.0. Thermal overload relays, or TORs, provide specialized protection. They detect overload and signal a contactor to break the circuit. TORs are ideal for industrial applications with complex, centrally controlled systems. Protection devices have different tripping times. Short circuits require a fast magnetic trip in under 10 milliseconds. Overloads allow for a thermal, delayed trip, ranging from seconds to minutes, depending on severity. To size a thermal overload relay, first identify the FLC on the motor nameplate. Then, select a relay range so the FLC falls in the middle of its adjustment range, and set the dial exactly to the FLC. Choose the trip class based on starting conditions. Comparing MPCBs and TORs. MPCBs protect against short circuits and overloads and are suitable for simple panels. TORs protect only against overload and require an upstream fuse or circuit breaker, being best for complex control systems with contactors. Protection coordination ensures system integrity. The sequence runs from the main power source through the MPCB or fuses, contactor, TOR relay, and finally to the motor. This ensures a motor fault doesn't damage the entire installation. In engineering, proper protection sizing is paramount. It is the crucial difference between a minor electrical trip and a major fire hazard.